Hello, road mappers. Here we are back at roadmap.center. Let's create one roadmap that has all of our pieces in it for the day. Click on plus new roadmap. You're going to want to title that. I can title it Kuhlman's class, which is my last name, and click save. Let's say I want an English roadmap or ELA, reading, writing. Let's say I want a math. Do you see how I'm clicking on Collaborify roadmap? It's putting roadmaps within my roadmap. And let's put a science in here. So now we have these 3 roadmaps in here and we just have to fill them. So there's a couple ways that you can do that, but this is the easiest way I've found. So if you click on Collaborify roadmap here, and in the drawer that pulls out, it says File, click on File, click Change File. Let's say that we want a first grade roadmap 1 dot. Let's say we're in the 2nd unit and we're on lesson 15. Over here where it says show nested, it's going to open up so that we can see all of them and click enter that are marked 1 to 15, right? And so what I would do is click on this lesson in particular, click select, and it's going to put my lesson in there for the day. So I can put 1.2.15 reading, right? So if I click on launch, here we go. That's our reading workshop. Bingo, bango, pretty easy, huh? So let's say we're going to do phenomenal science. So we can go and click on our roadmap here. I can click change file and I want phenomenal science first grade, right? So I can do phenomenal science first. I want to show nested. So if I go and then come back to the search and click enter, and it's going to put all the phenomenal science. So there's unit 3, right? Cycle 1, cycle 2, cycle 3. So I could choose phenomenal science first grade unit 3 cycle 1. And that will put cycle 1 within that roadmap. So here we would say phenomenal science first grade unit 3 cycle 1, right? So it's named. And here's our reading. Notice here in the drawer, you can change the colors of it. You can change the shapes of it. You can add images in here. You can choose from your, from any Google, right? Cartoon reading. I can choose this kid here, put him in there for my reading, right? Science. I can choose an image, or I can choose one from my Google Drive. So let's say I have something specific that I want to use that I've taken a picture of. Right? Maybe I want to put this little boy's face on there. Oh, it says unable to retrieve media. That's weird. How about here? There we go. So anything that you have in your Google Drive, you can use as an image. So that's pretty cool too. You can see the grid in the background. If you click on the grid, two-finger tap or right click, it'll give you this menu, so you can change the background. You can change it to blue, you can change it to mint green, you can change it to whatever you want. If you click down here at more, there are multiple colors and any kind of hue that you want to have it in, right? So let's do some crazy pink or something. But you can change it and modify it in any way that you see fit. So that's kind of how you put together that roadmap that has all of your materials for the day. Down here at the bottom, you can click the plus symbol. Let's say you want to add a Zoom link. A Zoom link is just a web resource. You click create, right? And you can put Zoom link. And then you would just grab your Zoom link from your Zoom, and where you click on URL here, change URL, put the URL in there, right? I mean, this is made up, right? But I'm going to put one in there. And then when you click on it, takes you to Zoom. But if you put in your actual Zoom link, then it'll take the kids to that actual Zoom link. So this is a place where you can put everything that you need or want for the day. You have a PDF pal. Let's say you've got a worksheet that you want the students to look at, or a letter that you're sending to parents, right? Maybe we say parent letter, right? And so I open this up. I can click upload PDF, and I can find one. Let's say a check brick that we want parents to see. And there you go. And this PDF, again, is writable, right? You can change the color. You can change the width of the line. You can type, highlight text, erase everything. And this is the most awesome feature, is that you can record your voice on here. So if I want to read this document or this PDF to the children, I click where I want the record button to be, and I'm going to click it one more time to record. Model identifies and describes relevant components of the system. It'll turn into a speaker, and then there you have it. It's there. Model identifies and describes relevant components of the system. If you don't like your recording, you simply click on the eraser, roll over it, delete it. That gives you a little bit of a way to work on your schedule and putting things together so that you have what you need for your class.